Welcome everybody to the new, locally assembled Mercedes-Benz GLA, and here are the 5 things you need to know. The GLA200 uses 18-inch wheels, while the GLA250 sits on a 19-inch set. The GLA not only wears a sportier AMG body kit, but also features a different shape and design for the front grille. The GLA200 is powered by a 1.3-litre turbocharged engine paired to a 7-speed DCT gearbox with 163 horsepower and 250 Newton meters, while the 2-litre engine in the GLA250 makes 224 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. It's paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Inside, the GLA250 comes with sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in Napa leather, and mats with AMG lettering. Standard equipment includes a single-zone air conditioning system and dual 10.25-inch displays with the MBUX system. Notable safety features include 7 airbags and autonomous emergency braking, while the A250 gets a blind spot monitor. The GLA200 is priced at 232,000, while the GLA250 goes for 266,000 ringgit. For more information on the new locally assembled Mercedes-Benz GLA, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.